Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI template, and this AI tool is specially designed for research paper writing purposes, and also you will get different kinds of research templates in this AI tool. So among the research templates, we are going to discuss about an important template, especially to make our literature review writing very easier. So this is not like any other tool having a common content generated by this that is any of the chatbots. So it will consider the important points in the reference papers, and it will generate a literature review. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI tool and how it will work out for our research paper writing. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI template what we are going to discuss is that, so go to lmssolution.net. So here you will be having LMS AI. So just click on this LMS AI. So it leads to a different LMS AI templates, especially designed for our academic and research paper writing, starting from summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, plagiarism reducer, chatbot, blog article, generate MATLAB code, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF text. So first I am going to give detailed literature review. So in this detailed literature review, these are the important specifications asked in this detailed literature review. So you have to add the title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, and conclusion of the paper. So here I am going to take a random open access paper. So here I am going to copy, for example, if you are taking this paper as your reference, you can copy the content asked by this particular detailed literature review template. So first I have copied the title of the paper, and then so you can give the abstract of the paper, and then you can give the introduction part of the paper. So this is the introduction part of the paper. So next finally the conclusion of the paper. So here, so you can see the conclusion of the paper. So you can copy this conclusion and you can give the conclusion in this particular AI template. So rather than generating literature review by seeing the title itself, so you can use this option to get your literature review very precisely. So just click on send. So it will take some time to analyze the content. So it will generate answer for you. So here in this detailed literature review, so you will get the main findings of the paper, and then you can get what are the merits and demerits associated with the paper. So these are the important things you can get to this detailed literature review. So let us see how this detailed literature review template will generate content for us. So here comes our literature review. So first it will give the summary of the paper, so what that paper is all about, so how it will discuss. So next one is main findings of the paper. So what are the important main findings of the paper, and the limitations of the paper. So this detailed analysis, detailed literature review will help you to generate a better content for your research paper writing. So especially coming to literature review, so this one will be very useful for you. So you can use this detailed literature review template in order to make your literature review stronger, and you can make your literature review very precisely. So this is how you can use this LMS AI template in order to generate a literature review. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can see this is LMS AI pricing plan at just 99. So you can access all our LMS AI templates for 7 days. So you can get unlimited access at 149. So you can access up to 21 days, and 199, so you can access up to 1 month. So in this 199, so you can get 2 plagiarism report per plan, so you can check your plagiarism. So the best value pack is 999, so you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 year, and then you can get 12 plagiarism report per plan. So this is the best AI template, so which is specially designed for our research paper writing. So go on and explore this templates with free words. So hope you can get an idea how this generating content for us. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.